Writing a blog on different topics is not easy because finding a new blog idea is an overwhelming task. But the 6 ways I'm going to show you is the solution for this problem. In today's video, I'll not just introduce you to the 6 ways to get blog ideas, but also how you can use this method in the best way possible. This way, you don't need to watch any other video after watching this. But before we tell you the process, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Now, the first way is the best and absolute gold mine of new blog ideas. I'm talking about none other than Google itself. Google can recommend so many ideas that you don't need to go anywhere else. There are ways you can use Google to get ideas. One of them is Google Autocomplete. Now, autocomplete is the same drop-down that you see when you type something on the Google search bar. These autocompletes are the key phrase that users search for every search for, making it a blog idea that you must write as it may have a good amount of traffic. To show you this, I'll just type SEO in the search bar and I can now see these key phrases which Google has recommended, and I can write a blog on this. Although, if you are concerned about keyword search volume, then just go to any free or paid keyword research tool and find it out. The following way you can use Google is by checking the People Also Ask section. When you search for something on Google, you'll see the section which consists of questions related to what you searched for. These are the common questions that people search for. For example, after I searched SEO on Google, these are the questions that appeared. Hence, these questions can be a great blog idea. Another way you can use Google is the related search section. These are also key phrases that people search for. These appear below the search result. So, you can see Google is more than enough for blog ideas. However, if you still think you may need more other sources, we have that too. One of which is Quora. I guess you've already heard this name. It's a very popular site which people either come to ask a question or answer others' questions. It's the world's #1 Q&A site, hence people ask questions about almost every topic. You just name it and you'll get the topic in Quora. To use the site, you can create an account and follow the topic you are already interested in. On your homepage, you'll find all questions that users are asking about your topic. You can also search for a topic in the search bar. For example, I want to know about YouTube marketing, so I'll just type the query and in the auto suggest, I can see topic YouTube marketing. By clicking it, I'll see all questions of that topic below. Then all the spaces related to it, similar to Facebook groups, and even related topics in the right sidebar. All this will give you tons of blog ideas. The best thing about these blog ideas is that people search and ask about them. Like Quora, you can also use another site known as Answer the Public. But compared to Quora, it's pretty easier to get ideas here. It's actually a tool that finds what people search for on the internet. What you have to do here is just search for any topic. For instance, I'll search for Bitcoins and boom, I receive tons of ideas on Bitcoins. The unique thing here is the ideas are divided into different types of questions, prepositions, comparisons, etc. And these types are again divided into subtypes, like for question, they are divided into questions start from why, what, how, when, etc. Prepositions are divided into for, can, near, to, etc. It makes it super easy to choose ideas. Another good thing is that you can download all this in a CSV format. The next way is to use Reddit. Reddit is a place where you can follow communities that you like. There are tons of communities on Reddit on almost every topic. First, you can search these and then join them. Now, you see that the members of communities ask questions or issues they face on this platform. In the SEO community I joined, I saw one user asking for a solution to the problem he faced with the sitemap in the search console. Now, that can be a great blog idea. Like this, you can also find unique ideas by joining communities on Reddit. The next is LinkedIn and Facebook groups. LinkedIn and Facebook groups are the ones in which you can join and interact with users of similar interests. Hence, it is a great place to find content ideas as everyone shares things about a specific topic. Although users may post tons of posts that can give you lots of ideas. How can you find that the idea is worth creating a blog? The best way is to check the interaction of the post. So if there is a post that gives a great blog idea to you and has a significant interaction in the blog, the topic is worth writing a blog about. And finally, it's none other than your competitor. You should always keep an eye out on what your competitor is posting on their blog page. Specifically, the focus of blog which they are ranking for, and If it is the topic where you have never written a blog, then write it now. So these are the 6 best ways to find lots of blog ideas. Although these are not the only 6 ways. You can use another method like using keyword extensions, like keywords everywhere, then sites like BuzzSumo, Google Trends, exploring topics, etc. So that's the video. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, let us know in the comment section what other topic we should include in our next video. You can also check out our website, papervideo.com. Thanks for watching.